and welcome to You Beauty, the podcast for your face. I am Leigh Campbell.
I am Kelly McCarren, and we're so excited. All right, so question number one is about creatine, funnily enough, but it is not a muscle podcast.
Oh, I wish I had my muscles out.
Ugh.
I've got really good muscles.
Me too.
But I don't do anything.
It's because we've got hefty little boys.
Oh, I thought, good. I get it.
Torres asked, creatine in moisturiser. L'Oreal were doing this in their Hydra range for men. It had a similar effect to the peptides with miraculous plumping of deep set lines. Does Sarah work for L'Oreal? The miraculous, just the way it's been worded.
I get it.
But they took it off the market over a year ago. Nivea seems to be the only company with creatine in their moisturiser now, but it's much lower down the ingredient list. So what gives? Why has it disappeared from the market in moisturiser form when it is so effective? Your thoughts are ever much appreciated.
Great question. I love when we get a question that we haven't had before any version of.
Yeah, like niche questions.
So niche. So Sarah, very good attention to detail.
Do you take creatine?
Absolutely.
Okay.
I only do since my lady doctor made me for peri. So creatine, let's do a little creatine lesson. I'm not a doctor, guys. I don't know if you know.
What?
But you might be seeing, depending on your algorithm, creatine everywhere. So we used to think it was a supplement.
Last year it was protein, now it's creatine.
Oh my gosh. Well, you've got to have both, Kelly.
Oh, I
Honestly,
know, but
like,
you know in terms of...
I can't have all my creatine and protein because I'm sitting here. You've got to do it all day long.
What?
Well, not really, but you know how it's such a dedication. So creatine is really big in the supplement world right now. And we used to think it was for gym bros because it's for their gains. And it is. But everyone needs it in their body and your body makes it naturally. And then with all the good stuff, as we age, it declines. So it's not a stimulant, but you take it just after, or some people take it before the gym. I don't go to the gym, but I take it for other reasons. So what it basically does is it supercharges the cells to give them more energy. So it doesn't give you more energy like you've had 55 coffees and you're running around.
It's not pre-workout.
No, you're not going to feel like, wee, but it kind of goes into the cells and goes, yeah, let's do this. And so you can lift heavier, recover faster if you are using it for exercise. Whereas for women, it can really help when your estrogen declines because the lovely things that happen then are muscle mass loss and bone density loss. So it can help with that. And basically it's just like how your body makes energy. It helps your body make energy to then do things more efficiently. So in peri, I'm a terrible sleeper. It can help with that. Hasn't really helped me. Can help you feel less fatigued and help with brain fog. Is it working for me right now? But it's an important thing that happens in everyone's body and it's an important thing to have. So in there, it's making our cells do faster, yay, go, go, go. So wouldn't that be good on our skin?
It would be, you would think.
It would be.
Can I just backtrack though? Because I'm at the moment, 2026, I'm on my attempting collagen journey, attempting collagen every day.
Yeah.
So we take our collagen. Yep. Some people take their protein water. We take our salts, extra salts. And now we're putting creatine in our drinks as well. Like, this is loaded water.
It's a lot of things.
How are we doing all of these things?
So, I mean, I'm not a doctor, but my obstetrician and my gynecologist is the same person who I still see after I had my son. And they're not prescribed, you just buy them. But she told me to get this brand that's gummies.
Oh, can you please? Thank goodness. And also, can we get protein gummies?
You can get everything gummies. Yes, girl. Collagen gummies. Anyway, we're way off the topic. So Sarah's thinking is completely logical, right? Because it goes in and stimulates the energy and kind of gets buzziness happening in terms of stronger muscles, bigger muscles, better recovery. So imagine that for your skin.
But is it kind of like why we don't put collagen? Well, there's no point to putting collagen in it.
The equivalent would be fatigue in the body, would be kind of environmental stresses. So pollution and just being alive and basically make skin work harder to look better. But guess what else does that way better?
Peptides?
Vitamin A category. So your retinols, your retinoids, peptides, and your niacinamide. Okay. So there's already ingredients that are doing it and are more studied and are more effective. So they've studied creatine and on its own as the key ingredient. It's okay. It does those things. You're going to have to be using it really consistently for a long time. Best is vitamin A. So vitamin A is kind of what we call the umbrella term for your retinoids, retinols, retinals, but that's basically doing what creatine could do on steroids. Niacinamide is a B vitamin. So obviously that's in our body as well. And we get that through diet, but it's great on top of skin. So that's your vitamin A. Then you've got your B vitamins. So niacinamide we put on our skin. It is wonderful. It's going to do everything that creatine could do, but better. Your favorite, peptides.
Peppy peptides.
Again, everything that the creatine could do, but better. So
the TLDR is that they could put it in formulas.
And it is in a fair few, but you don't really see it because it's just
not
nice
as
to have. Well, it plays along with the other ones and then they go do it all together as a team.
So it's just like we're not going to go drink vitamin A even though it's really good for our face.
I mean, it's good. So there's a few on the market at the moment. She's right. The Nivea Q10 Replenishing Anti-Aging Night Cream. $28. It's named on the packaging and in the marketing along with other ingredients. And then there's a men's eye serum that's actually really popular. It's called Only Skin Men's Eye Serum, $77. Not on the packaging but used in the marketing. And so I think you'll see as creatine kind of comes out of that kind of hardcore gym culture to women and just everyone. Anyway, I think we'll see it increase in the marketing for men first. I think women are more discerning with ingredients, so they'll probably be like, whereas men will just go, oh, yeah, I take that, so I'll put it on my face.
Yeah.
It's a good ingredient, but there's bladder.
Great question, great answer.
Great question. Please help us settle a current debate. Who's us? Is there a hygiene concern with makeup products that have a sponge application method? So basically like a doe foot, right? Or a cushion foundation? I have been using the Maybelline Instant Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Foundation. Love it, but I'm worried that bacteria growth could be contributing to my current breakout. Are we supposed to be cleaning the sponge, or does the sponge have inbuilt antibacterial properties that last the lifespan of the product?
So, firstly, I think that the makeup sponge applicator is very separate to a doe foot applicator because a doe foot would only really be used in a lip product.
Under eye concealer.
Oh my goodness, you're so
she's
right.
using the face
Maybelline.
one, but I use the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer sometimes. So that one's like a big
That's a
giant
cushion though. It's not really I'm thinking of a lip balm.
Yeah, lip's
a doe
fine.
foot, but they also do come for under eye. But I would say that they lip products as a whole are inherently more unhygienic, which is why we should throw them out more often, and especially if we get like cold sore.
Absolutely. Yeah.
If we've got any sort of mouth thing. The short answer is there's absolutely no inbuilt hygiene antibacterial.
Unfortunately not.
So if you actually think about it, it is kind of gross, especially the more product it's absorbing. So with the more cushiony one like the Maybelline Age Rewind.
That's a full foundation all over your face.
Yeah. However, I just don't think it's worth worrying about too much unless you have acneic skin or you're getting a lot of congestion and build up. But then in that case, it's probably more so, are you double cleansing? Are you making sure that you're doing a really good cleanse? So you absolutely could wash it when you do wash your makeup brushes. But let's be honest, most people aren't washing their makeup brushes as often as they should anyway.
No, I would go through a whole Maybelline Instant Perfector before I wash my brushes.
Yeah, but you could even just give it a little wipe.
Yeah, I would
an
do that.
Antibacterial wipe. You can get them from Kmart for a couple of dollars. Just give it a little swipe if you're worried. But it's just one of those things where, no, it's not actually that hygienic if you think about it. Especially if you were sharing the product.
Oh, no, you can't share something like this.
But it's just not really worth worrying too much about at the end of the day.
But she's got a current breakout.
Oh, she does?
Yes, she says, I'm worried.
Oh, well then yes.
It's causing your well, actually, we can't say that. But
it might not be causing it, but it's certainly not helping it. Yeah.
I mean, that particular product, the Maybelline Instant Perfector 4-in-1 Glow, is literally like a big wind-up sponge. There's not a huge amount that are like that. You'll get cushion foundations, but of course... Well, actually, no, the spongy bit.
I don't use the spongy bit though, and you often would wash your brush.
Yeah, so it bounces on the trampoline, but then you wash your brush. And then the Maybelline...
This is a very specific product.
It is. But even the under-eye ones, if you've had conjunctivitis, that's got to go. Because my friend...
Who would get conjunctivitis?
My friend last year, she just used her mascara after having conjunctivitis and gave herself conjunctivitis again.
She got pink eye twice? What a fool.
So look, it's no different to makeup sponges or makeup brushes.
But
don't
bigger,
share.
Because it's...
Well, in that you, it'll be as dirty
Yes,
as,
yeah.
you know, and oftentimes I'll go, ugh, but I will just go to another brush instead of washing it because I'm lazy, but you can't do that because it's attached to the product. Don't apply to an active breakout, cold sore or conjunctivitis if you're using the under eye concealer. There's this tiny risk of staph, which can happen, and staph is not fun and can be deadly. Not to alarm you, but if you have regular brushes and sponges, that's a good reason to clean them regularly. Check it with smell. You'll know if it's gone a bit gross, if it smells yucky. Don't put the lid on and then keep it in your steamy bathroom because it's already a liquid product. So it's
Moist.
going to like, bacteria is going to be like, wee, let's go for a swim. I would do exactly as Kelly said and just like give it a wipe, or you can just use one of those antibacterial makeup brush sprays just because it's attached to the foundation. You can absolutely wash it.
Because it's not going to get into
No,
the product.
I mean, I'm just too lazy to do that. The reason I would use something like this is because of the convenience, because you just wind it up, off you go.
and it's a great product. I think
is.
as well, this is the sort of product often, you know, Leigh and I are quite lax with expiration or, what's it called when you're opening?
Yeah.
Like if it says 6 months after opening, most of the time we're like, we've got
I'm
eyeshadow
like,
palettes
that's
that
been
are
8 months and it's actually 4 years.
It's like I've got eyeshadow palettes that I regularly use that are a decade old.
Yes.
This sort of product is definitely one that you stick to the like
I
after
agree.
after you've had it for however many months and that it says on the packet after opening, put it in the bin.
I was going to say that because if you have a foundation wardrobe, if you're really into makeup and you've got a whole bunch of different foundations, maybe this isn't the best one for you, or wind it up and use a brush or a sponge or your fingers because you don't want to like revisit every 3 months and then you end up having it for 4 years.
Exactly, and it's still the same manky old sponge that you've been using.
Yeah, I mean, you could just wind it up and use another sponge, but then what's the point? I wanted to mention quickly 3 no rinse brush spray cleansers that I think are really good because that's pretty much the level I'm at right now. Like, I don't want water. I don't want to waste water. I do, but I can't be bothered. Sephora no rinse brush cleaning spray is $16. That's got a lot of great reviews. One I haven't tried but ordered as soon as I researched this, Cinema Secrets Professional Makeup Brush Cleaner Spray. Why do I struggle with all those words together? $25. That had 10 gajillion reviews. Okay, not, but like the reviews were phenomenal in thousands. And that's $25. Then I was going to say this one's cheaper. The Real Techniques Instant Brush Cleanser Spray is $27. However, I feel like that's a lot bigger. But literally you just spray it on. Like think of it like sanitizing your hands. It's
and then
like,
just wipe.
Yeah, like just go. Yeah, you want to get the bulk of the foundation off, which is why it's not ideal for this product, but just in general.
Yeah. And I recently got a packet of antibacterial wipes from came up for $25 that are like safe to use on the body.
How big are they?
Like
$25.
Sorry, $2.50.
Oh my God.
Missed my decimal point there,
I
doll.
was going to say Kmart. Is it a kilo?
Just a normal packet of wipes, but it's safe to use on your face and body.
Oh my God,
like
I have
on
them
areas.
in my car all the time.
Yeah, exactly.
I wipe
you
my
could just
face,
wipe
I
that.
wipe my leather seat, I wipe my hand. Oh my
hips.
God. If you don't have them for every single thing, what are you doing with your life?
Oh, what?
Everyone though.
Yeah. I've never seen them before.
Have you had a child?
The antibacterial wipes have never used. I use wipes, but not antibacterial
You
ones.
start with water wipes and then when it get dirty, you use like those other ones.
I mean, listen, I'm not I bathe them in Dettol sometimes. I'm definitely not like a
They're
crunching.
Dettol in a wipe. Anyway,
Okay.
yeah, clean it if you want. Otherwise, get a new one.
Moving on. Beauty Bite.
We should do like a whole wipeless like encyclopedia of wipes.
That would be dull.
Oh, okay.
Okay. You've got show and tell for me today.
I do. I can't find it. Oh, yes. Okay, so.
Your boobies are coming out.
Oh, dear.
Hello.
I just wanted to be like you. Okay, so I wear glasses.
What?
I know. Can you see them? And over the summer, it's been so fun. I get this irritation here, right there from where this happens. So red, so raw, so ouchy, so itchy. Tried everything. Tried steroid cream, tried everything. The only thing that fixed it, and then I'm going to tell you what else it's good for, is the Avene thermal spring water, but there's sensitive skin version. There's 2 versions. This is the sensitive skin one.
Yes.
The regular may have, but I just got this. Do you know what else this does?
What?
Everything.
Oh, can I use some? My face feels dry.
Oh my God, use it for everything. So you know what I did? I needed to like quickly do something with my legs. I just literally sprayed this. I had a bit of like a highlighter kind of bronzy something. And I was like, oh my God, my legs. You just like anything. You want to put your hair down. You want to like, you mix it with
that feels
stuff.
good.
I know, doesn't it? And it's not just water in a can. Well, it is, but it's But it's thermal water. It's not like Murray's dam water ours is. So this is like literally straight bubbling out of the thing and heals people's
Like there's goddesses on the side that are like winning it
Yes.
out and then it goes into the cans.
Yes, but there's no way. It's so good for like compromised skin and everything. So what I was doing, because otherwise I was putting I started with the ointment of that, also phenomenal, but then
But
guess
then
what's
it's
happened?
something else in.
No, but then you're like, and it falls off.
Oh, yep.
So I was doing this like on a little cotton pad and it fixed my skin. And then I was like, what else can I do with you?
Oh my God.
I use it for everything.
That's the sort of product that's good just to have.
Yes. So I want them to make a teeny, tiny one for my clutch.
Do they not? Or is
Well,
only in the regular?
Not that little.
They do make a travel size, but maybe only in the regular.
No, they do, but I want
one.
it tinier.
Okay.
I like to decant.
You do.
Like I've mixed it with hair gel to make a different texture. I've made cream eyeshadow.
Love. Mine
yours?
is a bit of a, like
A PSA.
PSA. It is.
She loves her PSA.
I do, but also it's something that you've done before, and everyone that has any sort of fun with skincare or just, I burnt myself. Like I did a chemical burn. I used a product that was too strong on my skin, was compromised because I had a cold, and just under here, like it turned into an actual burn. Like it was the scab.
We've all been there.
We've all done it, but it's just a reminder that if you ever do like harm your skin in that sort of way with skincare, well, yes, that would be amazing.
Here's what I prepared
But
earlier.
I think a lot of the time then people are just scared of skincare in general. They'll be
Yeah.
like, oh my God, which fair enough. Like you don't want to put anything on your skin.
Yeah.
But I was really in like a good rhythm of using my vitamin C in the morning, using my vitamin A.
Before the burn.
But no, after the burn.
Oh.
This is though my little hack that you can still use your actives if you've burnt your skin as long as you don't put them anywhere near the burn.
Oh.
So what I was doing, make sure you use a barrier cream.
What if you burn your whole
basically.
face off?
Okay, well then don't. You stay away for a good time.
Yeah.
But this is like, generally people don't burn their whole face. They'll burn like a little part that was maybe a bit
around
impaired.
my eyes,
Yes,
didn't
I remember that.
Yes.
So what you would do is you would just apply then like a barrier cream. So whether you're Cicaplast, B5, Vaseline, Paw, Elizabeth Arden,
Roche-Posay, Avene,
literally,
Bioderma.
Weleda Skin Food, any single thick barrier product.
Also, do you know those are supposed to be used on bare skin? So not like if you wanted to do the repairing of the barrier, don't layer
Well,
it.
yes. And then so I would put it on the skin that requires to be protected. So I was just putting it on the burn and then just around that nostril. And then you can apply the active to the rest of your face.
Keep the rest
I
of your
still
face
wouldn't
going.
like put it too close because obviously when
It
your skin gets
travels.
warm, it can travel. So I wouldn't put it too close, but it just meant that I could stay in my routine using the products that I wanted
rest
to.
of your face
It
wouldn't
was
get
a
crusty.
small burn, but it just, you don't have to just say absolutely not, no actives now until my skin
That's so true.
heals. You just need to make sure that you're protecting whatever area it is.
I'm desperate to know what you used. Can you tell me later?
I love the product,
Oh,
actually.
it was misused by the user.
It was completely on me. I left it on for too long.
Oh.
When I knew that I had and I knew that
Compromised
I'd had a cold.
yeah.
The product itself, amazing.
The skin's already open from all you blowing your nose in the cracks. It
Exactly.
doesn't need-
Exactly.
Oh,
So
you
it was
really
my own
learned.
fault. User error. Silly girl.
User error. It's like that my friend that got conjunctivitis twice.
Exactly. Or my friend that like burnt her under eyes. User
That was
error.
really, really bad. And
That
that
was
was
the-
like
that
a
was
$400
actually
product.
Wasn't that a product though? Yeah,
Yes.
not user error.
Thanks for listening. And if you're watching on YouTube, we hope you enjoy that. If you have a question, send us a DM. Our handle is at YouBeautyPodcast and we'll answer them ASAP. And make sure you're also following us on YouTube and on TikTok. Our handle is at YouBeautyPod.
We have a lot of fun on the socials, so please come find us.
See you soon.